Hey guys, welcome back to Wix Fix. I hope you're having a fantastic day. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you Wix's new beta feature for adding stuff to mobile. Before, if we wanted to add stuff to mobile, like maybe let's say a button, we would have to drag out the button and hide it behind something else. So let's drag this down so we find something to hide it behind, and we'll hide it behind this right here. We'll send it to back, just like that. And then if we go to mobile, then we could find the button and place it where we want. However, Wix just now announced that there is a new add to mobile feature. Here we can add text, we can add images, buttons, decorative icons and stuff like that, boxes, social icons, and we can also embed HTML code right into the mobile editor. But that's basically it for the video, guys. If you did find this useful and you're excited about this just as much as I am, be sure to hit that like button and consider subscribing for more Wix content like this in the future. Thank you guys again, and I'll see you all in the next one.